YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fancy free shipping, and they'll ship this to you in no time. And click my Amazon affiliate link down below. See what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe, especially on the East Coast. We're going to get that cyclone, snowstorm coming, whatever they want to call it these days, but it's going to be nasty next week. So hopefully everybody stays safe. Alright, here we go. That was easy. And now we have here a mini keyboard. Oh, this looks pretty sweet. Ponybro. Whoa. Ponybro. Alright. USB style. That's why we got the Chromebook out. You can use it pretty much anything. Smart TVs, tablets, projectors, TV box, HTPC, notebook, Xbox and whatnot, video games, you could do it. Here we go. So, I don't think I need the manual. Ponybro. Alright guys, come on. Right there's a good spot. Oh. USB cable. Oh man. Alright. Here's back. Ooh. Nice keys. Very comfortable. There we go. Yep. USB right there. Pop this bad boy out. That's what you're going to need. Put that down. There's the battery. Just charge it up. Bada boom. Switch on. There we go. Oh. There we go. There we go. Got that plugged in. Alright. Whoa. See him moving there? Very nice. Back button. Home. Sound. You can see the sound. Yeah, this is a nice one, guys. There we go. There's a mouse. Easy to use. Super lightweight. Feels good. Nice keys to type on. Definitely a good one to get, guys. Kind of looks like a bat ring for Batman. Definitely a keeper. Alright, YouTubers. Check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Get these now before they sell out. Ponybro. Pony. Alright guys. You guys be safe, stay warm, and see you soon.